this week we got Flaming Anvil coming up again. We're gonna light up some flour, hopefully we're gonna mount it down on the stump. We got deodorant cans and we got 80 lighters just all clumped together. It's gonna be a great time, hopefully explosive, so stick around.
It's gonna be lit! Boom. Sorry guys, really shouldn't say lit, that's horrible. All right, this week's contest, it's a bit of a funny one actually. We do like to be safe and we've got a fire permit to do these flaming anvils. The bloke who gave us the fire permits, he is the contest. You've got to guess his name. Hint, first name, think royal.
Bit of royalty.
Middle initial, middle name, surname, go for your life. The best comment will get pinned.
If you give us a laugh, you'll be there.
All right, Anvil versus flour coming up. It's going to be the first one to a ripper video coming up here.
Let's just make an actual mound of flour. So we're just going to pour it. Scotty's probably only going to get one shot at this.
Although, if he just misses it, he might just make enough of a whoosh to send it. Whoosh. No! True story, if you have flour and it gets really fine in the air, it can actually become ignited and light up. So that's what we're hoping for. May happen, may not, let's see.
Well, good, Scotty, on you, mate.
All right, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! It's just knocked the block, I reckon, and Anvil has gone flying.
That was like the flaming...
Let's put him out. One more. Oh, she's back.
I'm gonna say it, we're not reloading this.
No, flour.
The flour had its chance. We'll move on.
So flour was a little bit of an epic fail, but that's all right. That's why you have 3 things in a video.
Oh, it's like a waterfall.
Yeah.
It's like a flower
It
waterfall.
looks like Niagara Falls. Look at it.
That's awesome. Well, the lighters will definitely explode and blow up. So let's get into that.
It's probably the smallest target though. It's only yay big.
Okay, we got the lighters, so they're exciting.
All right, we've pre-packaged our lighters. We've got 80 of them. We'll wrap a tape around to hold them together.
These should, if we hit them, go off.
It's a pretty small target, but an explosive one.
All right, we're lighting. Here we go. All right.
Oh, mate.
Anvil's lit.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
Oh.
Did that ignite off the sand?
I think that was puff of flour.
Yeah, I reckon it was.
Oh! He's just missed the front. But in doing that, it kicked up flour and we think that's actually ignited.
That was like quite a...
Ooh, felt a bit of heat off that too.
Sort of just repositioned it a little bit. So hopefully this time, boom.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh,
So close!
man.
Look at the chunk of wood that's taken off.
It's hit here. You're kidding.
Flippin', I gotta hit the thing! All right, we have a flame.
Flame on.
Come on.
2, 1, go! Looks good! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about.
Flame on. Come on.
Yes!
Anvil has split. Oh no, it's come out of the shirt.
Come out of the shirt. Quick, put it out.
Fire, fire, fire. Oh, it split the log. 2 big chunks. Oh, it's flaming.
It's on fire.
The wood is on fire. Who would have thought? Yeah, it doesn't look like many of the actual lighters are busted.
No, it's hard to... I mean, I guess in order to really tell if any lit, we just need to watch the
Yeah, we need to go check
slow-mo.
the slow-mo.
There's definitely some have ignited.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's a lot of fire.
it's a lot. It's like full.
Look at the shirt. The shirt's out of off the anvil now.
Good news is deodorant cans await us, which I think is going to be the best.
Yeah.
All right, we have 18 deodorant cans. We have 1 Anvil that is on fire.
All right, so we're just putting on these deodorant. They're the cheapest deodorant cans we could get.
Anvil on its way. Stuff me. Sanford's out of here.
Anvil versus 18 deodorant cans. Let's do this. Alex, the flaming guru, once again. Tell me when we're going, we're going, we're going. 3, 2, 1, drop.
Oh, what the heck was that?
Oh my goodness!
Is everyone all right?
What the heck? I feel like shrapnel came my way.
Dude, shrapnel went every way.
Look at the block. You've absolutely middled that, Scott. That was a heck of a noise.
That was actually crazy.
Anvil is fine.
Like, flame gone. Did the flame go out on the way down?
Nah. Anvil hit with flames. Don't you worry about that. That was a bang.
That was a lot bigger and crazier than I thought.
Really? Matt, I know deodorant cans explode, so not for 1 second did I think this wasn't going to be crazy.
How did it not, like, I guess it just doused the
maybe there was just too much of it.
Because I guess it is like still kind of wet, really.
It might not have had any oxygen. There's too much deodorant gas around or whatever. Yeah, that might have been a good thing that that didn't go off.
I felt the shockwave of the
Yeah, and you were like halfway up the town. All right, Derek, that is a wrap for
on that
this
one.
explosive edition of Anvil
That was a
versus
seriously
What the Heck.
loud bang. Scared me.
Make sure if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up.
Let us
Contest answers, get them in.
Flaming Anvil ideas. It's opened up a new door. So let us know what ideas you got for us and we'll get them done.
44 Club, thanks for staying till the end.
Sticking with us to the
We'll
very
see you next week
last
for another video.
second.